the other side of Rio's drug war. Viviane Gonsalves asks her dead husband, Rogério, who is going to look after her and her daughter. The 34-year-old construction worker was found dead last Sunday in a swamp. So were 6 other young men from one of Rio's most notorious favelas, known as the City of God, where 4 policemen were killed in a helicopter crash during a raid. Those who live here believe the men were killed by the police in revenge for the incident.
He was respected by the community. Then we had 100 people help me recover his body and 6 other bodies from the swamp. All the bodies were laying down, face down in the mud.
So many have died over the years that this Rio cemetery is officially full. A gesture of compassion allowed 2 of the families to bury their men. Slum residents complain they feel discriminated by the police, who they say automatically target young men, labeling them drug traffickers.
The police don't care if you're black or white or working, they just go in to kill. If they were doing their job, they should have arrested them and showed evidence, but they didn't, they just dumped the bodies.
The City of God is one of the largest slums in Rio de Janeiro. At one time, it was a poster neighborhood for a government plan to rid the favelas of the drug gangs who had total control then. Now, the same gangs are fighting to regain control. The head of the local police says his men are in the middle of a turf war, and the Red Command traffickers are trying to expand.
We are not scared. They have to fear us. If I am scared, I cannot do my job, and I cannot ask my men to do their jobs either.
After Saturday's helicopter crash, special forces occupied parts of the neighborhood. Authorities say they're investigating what happened to Rogério Gonsalves and the 6 men found dead.
Civilians who live in the slums of Rio are worried that they're going to see these type of scenes all over again. And that is street battles that they were sadly used to, with armored vehicles and helicopters.
Those who live in the City of God say they're once again caught in the crossfire of a war. A drug war Brazil's government told them had been won. Monica Villamizar, Al Jazeera, Rio de Janeiro.